Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today I'm going to talk about something called Introduction to Theory of Probability and how it pertains to trading. So on here, if you're on the blog at medium.com, there's an article called Introduction to Theory of Probability, an approach to build models to solve real world problems. Now, I'm not going to get into the article, but a few days earlier when this was posted or showed up, I was talking about probability in terms of trading when you put on a position and the timing of the position and the probability if you will have a profitable position or not. So this article kind of goes into the details of it. When you do put on a position, you do have some control in terms of risk, measuring things like momentum, maybe Fibonacci trading levels when you're putting on pricing targets, that sort of thing. So you do have some control here. So I have mentioned it. I do kind of talk about it in the Python 3 course that I've got. So if you come to quantlabs.net/Python, in there you'll find a link where you can enroll now. And it's $249. It's going to go up probably later this week. Today is October 1st. So expect that price to go from $247 to $299 over the next few days. So when it comes to this course, this will show you when to put on a position through something called a watch list and then a position manager. But the probability is a factor of that. Now, from my point of view, if you put on a position, and I talked about daily targets last week, what was really important is to understand what was the probability of that position if you overtrade, meaning you go over your daily cap, let's say, of profit, but you want to still trade because the momentum of the market you think is in your favor. From my experience over the last 2 years, probably even a 75% chance that you probably, if you overtrade, continue trading, once you hit your daily cap, you will probably lose your trading cap. So as a result, you will probably lose not only what you earn because you hit the cap or daily target, but then you may actually start to lose not just that, but lose money if you overtrade past a certain point. Probability says yes. So you might have a 25% chance you might make more, not much, but that's why I talk about the daily cap. So that's on my YouTube channel, I believe, or my Facebook quantlabs.net page as well. So it's on one of those. So I do talk about that, but it's really important to understand that. And I thought I'd just introduce you to this course, or to this pretty good article on Medium for that, to understand real probability on chances of this or that and building trading models out of it. I think it's one of those important factors, but there's a lot of mathy here, but I don't think it's that complex. But let me know what you think by putting a comment on my social media, YouTube or Facebook. Other than that, we shall talk to you later. You have yourself a good day. Later.